Hello students, I am Prashant Nikam. Today we are going to solve exercise number 1.4 from R.D. Sharma textbook. See here, first question. Simplify each of the following and write as a rational number of the form P upon Q. Means we have to simplify this, we have to solve this, and our answer should be in the form of P upon Q. Means it should be a rational number. Now here there are three rational numbers, we have to add them. The denominator of all these three numbers is not same, it is different. So we can find their equivalent rational numbers having same denominator. For this reason, we have to find their LCM. LCM of 4, 6 and 8, which is 24. So we will convert these denominators into 24. To convert 4 into 24, we have to multiply this 4 by 6, so that we will get 24 as a denominator. Multiply numerator as well as denominator at the same time. Then to convert 6 into 24, we have to multiply it by 4. Numerator and denominator by 4. And to convert 8 into 24, we have to multiply this 8 by 3. Now multiply these numbers. 6 into 3 is 18 upon 24. Then 5 into 4 is 20 upon 24. And 7 into 3 is, since 7 is minus, so the product of these two numbers will be minus 21 upon 24. Now see here, all the rational numbers are having same denominator. Now we can add them easily. Now let's add the numerator. 18 plus 20 plus minus 21 upon 24. The sum of 18 and 20 is 38, and 38 plus minus 21 is 17. So the final answer will be 17 upon 24. Now in second question, we had to add 2 upon 3 plus minus 5 upon 6 plus minus 7 upon 9. Here also denominators are not same, so we can find their equivalent rational numbers having same denominator. For this reason we have to find their LCM, and the LCM of 3, 6 and 9 is 18. So let's convert their denominator to 18. So to convert 3 into 18, we have to multiply 3 by 6. Then to convert 6 into 18, we can multiply it by 3. And then finally to convert 9 into 18, we have to multiply 9 by 2. Now 6 into 2 is 12 upon 18. Minus 5 into 3 is minus 15 upon 18. And minus 7 into 2 is minus 14 upon 18. Now let's add 12 plus minus 15 plus minus 14. Denominator is same, or it is common, which is 18. Now let's add 12 and minus 15. The sum of 12 and minus 15 is minus 3, and minus 3 plus minus 14 is minus 17. So the final answer will be minus 17 upon 18. This is the final answer, and already this minus 17 upon 18 as well as this 17 upon 24, it is in the simplest form. There is no any common factor, therefore this is the final answer. Now see question number 3 from same exercise. This question is also again simplify, but in this question we have to add as well as subtract. So let's solve this question. Here the denominators are not same, so we will make denominators same. To convert 2 into 4, we can multiply this 2 by 2, so that we will get 4 as a denominator. For remaining two rational numbers, no need to change because it is already 4 as a denominator. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 minus 7 upon 4. Now denominators are same, we can add or subtract the numerators. Minus 6 plus 5 minus 7 upon 4. The sum of minus 6 and 5 is minus 1, and minus 1 minus 7 is minus 8. Minus 8 upon 4. And final answer will be minus 8 upon 4 means what? Minus 2. See the next question. In this question, we have to simplify this. Denominators are not same, so we can find the equivalent rational numbers having same denominator. So The LCM of 4, 6 and 3 is 12. So let's convert all denominators into 12. To convert 4 into 12, we have to multiply it by 3. Then to convert 6 into 12, we can multiply it by 2. And to convert 3 into 12, we have to multiply it by 4. 5 into 3 is 15 upon 12. Then 7 into 2 is 14 upon 12. And this is minus 2 into 4 is minus 8 upon 12. Now see, denominators are same. We can add or subtract the numerators. 15 minus 14. This minus minus will become plus 8 upon 12. 15 minus 14 is 1 and 1 plus 8 is 9. So it will be 9 upon 12. Now 9 upon 12, it is having common factor which is 3. 3 3s are and 3 4s are. So the final answer is 3 upon 4. Thank you.